Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
This week on 8th Feb, we have 3 Power Pack webinars listed up for you. Join us this Saturday by 10 a.m. for the future of passive investing, ETF and index funds. Learn how ETF and index funds are changing investment strategies in this webinar. This webinar examines their growing popularity, benefits and future recommendations, provides effective investment guidance. Following this, by 11 a.m., we have insurance for young adults, building a safety net yearly. In this webinar, necessity of having the right insurance and how one could choose the right insurance and importance of having an insurance at a young age is being discussed. Following this, we have Once Upon a Portfolio, Lessons from Behavioral Finance, Part 2. Here, you can discover how emotions and biases shape investments, decisions, and portfolio performances. This webinar explores finance principles and common pitfalls and strategies to build a resilient portfolio. Learn to make a smarter, more irrational investment choice and rewrite your portfolio story to success. Use the link in description to join our webinar.
If you watched the budget last weekend, then one thing that's on your mind is what do you do with all that extra money that you're saving now? Most of us were browsing memes, thinking about how we'd end up paying more taxes, and were a little anxious about what would come out of the budget. But actually, what the government has done is put about 1 lakh crore in the hands of taxpayers, allowing them to decide how they want to spend this money. They can either look at investing it or they might look at spending this money. The basic idea behind the government's move was that they want to encourage both private investment as well as consumption, and it's up to you to decide which one is going to work better for you. So we thought we'd do you a favor and sit down and do the math and look at what happens if you decide to do certain things. Now, firstly, let's say you're a young person who's earning about 1 lakh a month, then you're net not liable to pay taxes this year. And you end up with a savings of roughly 71,500, and this money, if you milestone it and let's say you invest this money every year, then over the next 15 years, this is what your portfolio is going to look like. At the end of 5 years, you're going to have about 4.5 lakhs in savings. At the end of 10 years, that's going to be close to 12.5 lakhs. So you'll cross the 10 lakh milestone in 10 years. And at the end of 15 years, you're going to have above 25 lakhs in savings and your portfolio value is going to stand at 26.5 lakhs. That's a lot of money that you can build with just your tax saving investment. That's a lot of wealth that you can create with this little boost that the government has given you in terms of not paying taxes. If you just invested it in your future, this is what you'd end up with. So for a 25-year-old who's starting today, who's earning about 1 lakh a month, they could have close to 25 lakhs by the time they were 40 just by putting away what the government has given them in hand as a rebate. So thank you for watching this video, and if you want to know more about how you can purpose your tax savings, then get in touch with the number on your screen and we'll be happy to help you with your next steps.